You need to use SaleSource. With SaleSource, you can analyze any product or store in seconds. I used to think I needed a team of people to do research. Now, I realize I just need SaleSource, the e-commerce platform powered by machine learning. The time of endless Googling is over. It's so easy to see who's the best supplier, what the prices are, and whether there's potential opportunity. It's perfect to spy on other e-commerce stores, see how much they make and who else is selling your product. Don't even get me started on the Chrome extension. It makes product research so easy that I have time to learn new things. I can instantly see price history, sales trends, as well as product images and videos that I can use in my marketing campaign.
Maybe she broke up because of the sound department.
Honestly, SaleSource does so much more. And between you and me, it'll just make you more successful at dropshipping. The bottom line is, if you use SaleSource, you'll be selling more in less time. Hey, eyes up here.